Hi there, this is Wayne Myers, compounding pharmacist at Norland Avenue Pharmacy. Wanted to take time to demonstrate an MD pump, MD meaning multi-dose pump, that we typically use to dispense pain creams in. Oftentimes it might have testosterone as well for men. These pumps can deliver either 0.5 mLs or sometimes a 1 ml dose per time that you pump it. So again, it's a little pump. I will take note that there's a window there. It can show you as it's going up to how much is actually left in there. Once you get to the top of that, it's probably time to call for a refill. Again, depends on how often you are using it. I don't have any medication in this, but I do have some cream here. Depending on what we're using, we can be at a variety of bases. But again, it's pre-measured. It's going to deliver 0.5 mLs, and you want to get that full dose. You can put it right on your hand. You can put it right on your site. Oftentimes with pain creams, we recommend that you not only apply it to the site of pain, but pain is a signaling mechanism, and it goes up our nervous system, up into our spinal cord. So you might want to find the area where it connects in to your spinal cord, meaning like if you're having pain in your feet, the base of your spinal cord is also a good place to rub in that cream. So I'm going to say my pain is in my hands here, so I'm going to rub this in very thoroughly, and 1 to 2 minutes ideally. And for the sake of time right now, I'm not going to thoroughly do that, but you again rub that in as best as you can. What we see with pain creams though is if we do it on a continual basis, 3 to 4 times a day, we'll see an additive effect after day 3 where the pain level decreases all the more. So you can continue to rub that again 3 to 4 times a day. Now for testosterone, men are going to often put that and rotate to sites. Could be anywhere on the upper body. It's either going to be a 0.5 or 1 ml dose, typically once a day. Recap it so that you don't have to, so it won't dry, the cream won't dry out. Again, as the window goes up, you'll see if you need when you need some refills on that. So as always, if we can help you, don't hesitate to call us. Our phone number is 717-217-6790. It is our pleasure to serve you.